For many, digestive discomfort is an unwelcome companion. Bloating, gas and indigestion can disrupt daily life, leaving you feeling far from your best. Turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, offers a natural and effective way to address these common woes. Curcumin, the star player in turmeric, goes to work directly at the source of discomfort. It helps to calm inflammation in the gut, reducing the irritation that leads to bloating and gas. Turmeric also aids in bile production, a crucial fluid that helps break down fats and ease digestion. Imagine turmeric as a soothing balm, gently calming the fires of inflammation and restoring harmony to your digestive system. Its ability to address multiple aspects of digestive discomfort makes it a valuable ally in your quest for digestive well-being. Across the vibrant landscapes of Southeast Asia, a treasure has flourished for millennia. Turmeric, with its radiant hue, has graced kitchens and healing traditions for generations. Its earthy aroma, a familiar comfort in countless homes. But turmeric is more than just a spice. It's a testament to nature's power, a botanical remedy cherished for its ability to soothe and heal. For centuries, turmeric has been a cornerstone of herbal medicine systems like Ayurveda. Ancient healers recognized its remarkable properties, using it to address a multitude of ailments. From soothing inflamed joints to calming digestive distress, turmeric's versatility earned it a revered place in the natural healing arts. Today, modern science is catching up to what traditional wisdom has known for ages. Rigorous studies are now confirming turmeric's potent properties, revealing the mechanisms behind its remarkable effects. The golden spice is experiencing a well-deserved renaissance, embraced by those seeking natural ways to support their well-being. From lattes to smoothies, and even in skincare products, turmeric's applications are expanding. Families around the world are rediscovering its benefits, incorporating it into their daily lives. Whether in its raw form, as a supplement, or as an ingredient in culinary creations, turmeric continues to be a symbol of health and wellness, bridging ancient traditions with modern science. Within each of us exists a hidden world, a complex ecosystem of microorganisms that play a vital role in our health. This intricate system is not just a passive resident, but an active participant in our well-being. This is our gut microbiome, a community of trillions of bacteria residing in our digestive tract. These microorganisms are involved in numerous processes that are crucial for our survival. A balanced and diverse gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to various health issues, highlighting its importance. Turmeric emerges as a powerful supporter of this intricate inner world. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric also plays a significant role in maintaining gut health. Its prebiotic properties act as food for beneficial bacteria, fostering their growth and promoting a healthy gut microbiome balance. This helps in creating a favorable environment for these microorganisms to thrive. By nurturing the good bacteria in our gut, turmeric helps to create an environment where digestion can flourish. This nurturing effect is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance within our digestive system. Imagine turmeric as a gardener tending to the delicate ecosystem within your gut. Just like a gardener ensures that plants grow healthily, turmeric ensures that beneficial bacteria flourish. By promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria, it helps to cultivate a thriving and balanced microbiome, essential for overall health and well-being. This thriving microbiome supports not just digestion, but also our immune system and overall vitality. Embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified TCM, traditional Chinese medicine practitioner, before starting any herbal treatments.